Hello viewers, welcome back to Gatgets Compare. In this video today we compare two best smartwatches, which is huawei GS3i versus huawei GS3. So let's see the full video. Display type, display size, resolution, always on display, pixel density, aspect ratio, storage, smartwatch RAM, smartwatch memory, card slot, body design, body weight, body dimensions, body colors, SIM slot, body front, body back, body frame, body straps, platform, operating system, sensors, accelerometer, gyro, heart rate, barometer, compass and SpO2, battery, battery type, battery capacity, has battery charging, connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, has GPS, has GLONASS, has Galileo, has BDS, has NFC, has QZSS, radio, USB connection, camera, sound feature, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, launch, announced, availability, price, price USD. Thanks for watching. If you have compare any variables, so please comment in the video, and if you have buy these variables, link in the description. Also like, share and subscribe Gatgets Compare.